Welcome to KLBiologyNEET exam preparation. Welcome to KLBiologyNEET exam preparation.
Welcome you all for KLBiologyNEET. In this video, we are going to discuss about RBC or erythrocytes children. Before that, in last video, we discussed plasma without fibrinogen or clotting factor is called blood serum. Very correct answer children, excellent. Okay, keep rocking. So today we are going to discuss RBC or erythrocytes. So what is the size of RBC? Size of RBC is 7 to 7.2 microns, and you can find the count of RBC is around 5 to 5.5 million. So they may ask which is the formed element maximum in blood. It is RBC only. Where it is formed? It is formed in the bone marrow. Where it is destroyed? It is destroyed in the spleen. You know, spleen is the graveyard of RBC. Lifespan of RBC is 120 days. So immature RBC will be having nucleus. Matured erythrocyte does not have nucleus. Okay, and all mammals has biconcave shape RBC. And you know RBC is red blood cells, erythrocytes. The red blood coloration is due to hemoglobin. And this hemoglobin, what is the count we have? We have some 12 to 16 grams per 100 ml. So they may ask you the question and they may try to confuse you with milligram also. It is gram, you know, 12 to 16 gram per 100 ml. And you know hemoglobin is a carrier for oxygen and carbon dioxide also. Okay children, and if RBC is more, you know it is called polycythemia. If RBC is less, it is called anemia. So these are the points we need to remember regarding RBC. And can you tell me children, which formed element does not have DNA? No DNA in which of the formed element is the question. Can you answer me in the comment box? Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe and support.